Hi friends, welcome back. This video is about 10 AI advanced solutions for VFX and animation. So let's look at this GPT Builder. So what it does, it creates another custom GPTs. So those custom GPTs in turn creates required Maya tools and all. So now quickly go and see what GPT Builder can do. So it can create a content for custom GPTs. So write custom GPT for Maya Python tools. You can click on it. So here we can see that like agent name is like a Maya Python tools for Maya 2020. Description we can see it over here. So next we can see that what can be the possible input, expected output, example, solution generation, step-by-step guidance. So this is how it will process that custom GPT requirements. So this is something about security measures. So GPT will take care of security protocols. So now what we can do, we can copy these instructions. So we go to another GPT. So here what we can see, like we can paste that whatever we have done there, and this GPT, what it does, it will fine tune this custom prompt. So now let's look at it, what it does. So it is generating the plan for it, like a goal it is setting up. Then what are all the steps it is taking care of, like what steps involved in this process. So now we are refining the GPT. It is generated from GPT Builder. Required inputs, outputs, capabilities of this particular custom GPT. What are all the actions it will take care? Like progress message, like 85% it has fine-tuned that one. Like it has fine-tuned whatever the solution generated by GPT Builder. So here we can see shortcuts. So we want to extend this code, means it will extend. In this case we can extend a shortcut key, means instead of writing so much all this, here hotkeys are there. Just by entering E, it will extend the code to expand the functionality. So now we can see what it does.
I think we're ready to move.
Now we can see that it is extending the functionality. This everything is written in code block for clean format. So it has extended the same, like so it is giving these things like shortcut keys. So if you want to, GPT will generate these inputs, like by pressing 1, it will take us to dive deeper into advanced Python API using Maya. So in the pipeline, how it progress, we can see in the next GPT. Now we can look at this GPT. So here we will try Maya Python code for exporting skin weights. I have tested these scripts, they are working fine. So here it is saying like it is generating the plan for this GPT. So project structure it is building up. So it is doing exporting skin weights. So getting skin cluster and then exporting skin weights. Here we can see again next shortcut keys are generated. So in the pipeline, generally once we export the skin weights, so the next topic is somewhere we have to import those skin weights. So these GPTs will quickly look at the next steps in the pipeline. So from the generation of this tool till the end of the movie production, like a final rendering, lighting and everything, how this is going to influence in the pipeline. Those plans come over here. So now if I press 1, I can get import skin weights. Let us see. So before that, we'll build this one more time. We can see another variation. So this time we can see configuration it is writing, like for which version of Maya it is going. It is going for, this tool is going to be used for. So this is something wrong. Maya 2020 uses 2.7. Okay, we'll figure it out. So again we can see that it is coming up with immediately import skin weights. Let us rebuild one more time. So this time it is going for Maya 2023. So Python version 3.9, it is mentioning very clearly. So the process goes something like this is the plan. Find skin cluster. So this time it didn't generate, but we can use write for import skin weights. So it's going to import from JSON format. So importing skin weights script is being generated. So that's how it will keep foresee the next steps in the pipeline. So these are the keys it will help us. So once Maya function is generated, we may need to create the doc strings here. We can look at over here. So let me go to this place. I'm just taking this code. Okay. Then I'm coming over here. So now this will generate a documentation for this particular function. We can see that short arguments is being created. Purpose it is writing. Then each argument is being explained here. So this is how it will be. So once this is done, we may need to create a flowchart for it. Like a flowchart means it will explain this process, how it's going. So let me enter the Maya function here. One more time we can check it, how it's going to generate.
on the rewind. I'll catch it on the rewind. Hey. I'll catch it on the rewind.
So now it's generating flowchart code. So we can see that code is generated. Now we can take this code up to here. So we can see that earlier some other code I have pasted here. I am just replacing it. So this is how it will generate the flowchart very quickly. So that's it guys. We can see remaining 5 more GPTs in my next video. Thank you for watching.